So I wanted to answer the question, will lemon water kick you out of ketosis? Okay, this is a common question. Well, the benefit of lemon water is this. It will decrease uric acid to prevent gout and uric acid kidney stones. And also the citrates in the lemon will neutralize something called oxalates, which can come from spinach, certain cruciferous vegetables, certain foods, to prevent another source of kidney stones. But 1 ounce of lemon juice is only 2 grams of carbs. Now think about it. You're allowed 20 to 50 grams per day. So it only gives you a very small amount of carb. So even though it may kick you out just a little tiny bit, your body will go right back in. So really the benefit of lemon juice is huge with very little problem with carbs. Now if you're trying to get your vitamin C from lemon juice, only if you consume lemons will you get vitamin C, because in the bottles that you buy, they pasteurize it and that pretty much kills all the vitamin C. But there's other benefits of lemon juice, okay? So that's what I'm going to recommend. So no worries, and continue to consume your lemon water. Hey, you know what? I just wanted to say thank you for watching these videos. You made it this far. I appreciate your attention and your precious time.